Hello and welcome to Mr. Barnett Screencast. Today we're going to be learning how to do boxes with exact dimensions in Sketchup. We're going to be trying something a little bit new here. We're going to use Sketchup through Google Drive. It'll be very similar to what we do with the desktop version, but this will be pretty much the same process. You will need to get the paper from Mr. Barnett up front that has the boxes on it. So if you don't have that, go ahead and pause it and go grab that right now. Okay, to get started, you can go ahead and go to Google Drive. You should be in your Drive. This is mine right here. And then you're going to click on New, and you're going to go down to More. And then you're going to go down until you see SketchUp for Schools. Okay, give it a minute while it loads the program. Okay, from here, you're under the New Model panel. We're going to do the one that says feet and inches. Okay, and you should get to a page that looks like this. Now, a quick review for using camera angles and those types of things. Your wheel on your mouse is your zoom in and zoom out. Wherever you place the wheel is where you zoom into. So if I put my wheel right here in a shoelace, that's where I'm going to go. Okay. Also with the wheel, if you push it in and then move your mouse, you'll orbit the camera. Okay. And then lastly, if you hold down Shift and then the wheel, you'll pan. Okay. So using those three combined, okay, you can get your camera angle in a variety of ways. Now we're going to move the camera. So our reference material is in the bottom left-hand corner. Here's the origin. Your blue line comes up here. Your green line goes up through the top. And then your red line kind of goes right along the bottom there. And you kind of want to be looking downwards. Now we're going to start by drawing the 6 foot by 6 foot square. Okay, the symbol for foot is apostrophe, which is right by the Enter key on the keyboard. Okay, I'm going to grab the rectangle, so I can click right here and then click on the rectangle. It actually draws first for you, or you can press R on your keyboard. Okay, and I'm going to click and drag. Now you can make whatever size you want to start with, and if you look in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see dimensions. Okay, right now this is 7 foot 11 inches by 8 foot 3 inches. Again, it does not matter what size you draw it. Okay, now you can just start typing. Do not click here. Okay, just start typing after you release. And you're going to type in 6 apostrophe, and then between two measurements, you want to do a comma. So comma, and then you're going to go 6 apostrophe, and then enter, and it's going to automatically resize that one. Now to check and make sure you did it correctly, you're going to go down to the tape measure and then grab the dimensions tool, and we're going to click and drag that out. Okay, so we got 6 foot by 6 foot. Okay, now we're going to do the next one, which is going to be the 10 foot by 10 foot 2. So I'm going to grab the rectangle tool again, and again, it does not matter what size I draw it. Okay, you want to do the x-axis first, which is going to be 10 foot 2 inches, just like that. Again, take a look down here in the dimensions. Then we're going to do comma. Then we're going to do 10 foot. Okay, again, we'll grab the dimensions tool, and we'll make sure that we have that one correct. All right, now I'm going to use my pan, so you can hold down Shift. I'm going to scoot over and do another one right here, rectangle. This time we're going to do the long and skinny one, 6 foot 6 inches, comma, 17 foot 6 inches, enter. Again, we're going to double check it. There we go. Now we're going to do the one that has 2 squares combined. So again, I'm going to scoot over a bit. I grab my rectangle. Okay, draw a little square. We're going to do the 6 foot by 4 foot one and press enter. So 6 foot comma 4 foot. Okay, and then from here, I want to snap these two together. This is really important, especially when you get to houses. Okay, I don't want to draw here. Okay, there's a space there, so Control Z. I don't want to draw here because now they're overlapping, so Control Z. I want to go right from the end point. I'm going to click and drag. Okay, and we're going to do 8 foot 6 inches, comma, 8 foot 3 inches, enter. Okay, again, we're going to double check it. Drag those out. Okay, it should match exactly. All right, there we go. We've got 4. Now we're going to do the last one, which is the 3D shape. I'm going to grab the rectangle tool again. And I'm going to draw the base of this first. So the base of this one, if you're looking at it, is actually 8 foot by 4 foot 3 inches. So I'm going to draw a little rectangle. And we're going to go 8 foot, comma, 4 foot 3 inches. So now I'm going to turn it into a 3D shape. To do that, I'm going to grab the push-pull tool. Okay, it's right here. Or you can press P. And same thing, you just want to suggest which direction it's going. So I want it to go 3D upwards, not down into the ground, but 3D upwards. I could do just a little ways. I could do huge. Does not matter. Again, I'm going to release. Okay, and then I'm going to type in the third dimension, which is 8 feet. Enter, just like that. Okay, if it does not work for you, please do Control Z, get it flat, then drag it up and type in 8 feet. Okay. Now you can double check it. We're going to grab from the side here, 8 feet there, 4 foot 3 inches, 8 feet. Again, you can check, you can rotate around, and that is all you're doing for the boxes. So for this, in order to save it, you're going to click up here where it says Untitled, and you can name your model. Now, it might have you sync it to Drive. Go and follow any instructions there that allow you to do that. We're just going to title this one Boxes. Okay? And to get back to this, whenever you go to SketchUp, we're going to put it into Classroom here. Now, you should have a Design Technology folder. You go ahead and place it in there. If you don't have a Design Technology folder, you can go to Drive, and you can do New Folder and type in Design Technology right there and do Create, and then you can save it into there, again, the same way. Okay, that is all you're doing for this one. Thanks for watching.